Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn uh, creating the development certificate for our application. So let's start from the beginning. Open the developer.apple.com, so you will get this console right away on your screen. So these are the menu in your left side. So you can choose from the certificate and identification and profile section. Click on it. So this is the certificate sections. So you can find here certificate, devices, and profiles, and keys, and other things. So this is the identify sections where you can register your bundle identifiers. You can add your bundle identifier like this. You have multiple choices where you can register your bundle identifier for the app or services or other things. So read carefully and select appropriate section for your application. So we need this for the mobile application, so we are selecting app IDs. So here are the two sections, one for the Mac OS and another one for the tvOS, iOS, and Apple Watches. This is your app name, and here should be bundle ID in the reverse order, like com dot your organization name and your app name. So basically it start from your domain name. And from below it you can select capabilities that you want enable on in your application. So like healthcare, hotspot, iCloud, and uh, push notifications. So generally we use just the sections like iCloud, push notifications, or in-app purchases, or Apple Pay. But you can use it for the wallet and wireless accessory configuration, and you can check the capability sections for the more information. Like new devices support the NFC, so you can also integrate and enable the NFC section. So this is your bundle identifier and team prefix. So your bundle ID is registered uh, with your developer account. So you can search by the drop down, or simply you can put your bundle identifier name in search box. So you can check. I search my name for the my app name, and in the result you can find bundle identifier for my app name. You can also remove that or modify that bundle identifier capabilities, and you can configure your push notification here. So let's start for the push notification service. We are going to register push notification service and creating the push notification required certificates. So first we need a CSR file. So CSR can be uh, created by self using the your Mac keychain. So search for the for the keychain access. Yeah, and from the file section, and no, it's not from file section, it's from the certificate assistance. Request a certificate from the certificate authority. Simply put your email address here. Email address, name. So first it's going for the email address and then name, and you can save it in your drive. So you can check on my desktop the CSR file is created, and then now locate your CSR file for the developer section. So you can check. So you can check here the certificate is created. This is the expiry. So all detail regarding the certificate you can find here, and you hit the download button to download the certificate. By double tapping, the certificate will be installed in your uh, system keychain. So basically we need development and production certificates. So now let's create another certificate. So you can check in push notification we have configured one certificate for the development. Now we are going to create another certificate for the production, this one. So same step we are going to follow again. Choose the CSR file, and same CSR file will work for this as well. The process is very simple and straightforward. Just follow my video. So this is another certificate is created for the production, and hit the download, and this will be go to your download section. So why the double tapping? I am installing both certificates in my keychain. Go to the keychain and click on my certificate section, and here you can find the both certificates are installed. So now it's time to create the P12 file. Just simply select that certificate and click on right click and select the format for the P12 in the file format section, and save it to your desktop. It will ask for the password. You can enter your password or just leave the empty, but for video purpose I am entering a simple password, and here you need to put your system keychain password or login password. So you can check, here is your v12 file, and same thing we are going to do for the another certificate. So this will be same again, and format will be v12. The process is very straightforward by entering a password, or we can left it blank and save it to the desktop. So you can check on my desktop, we have 4 certificates and with the one CSR file. So you can check, if you search in the certificate section, you will find both certificate in your developer console. So you can re-download it again from here. So now you can check both certificates are configured here. So now it's time to create development and distribution certificates. So follow the same things as the our push notification certificates, but in the different sections. So basically you need to select iOS app development section. So you have the multiple options for now, for like Apple certificate and other things. But for now we are selecting iOS only and locating our CSR file from the desktop. So you can check our certificate is created here, and this is the all required detail. Hit the download button. Okay, so this is downloaded in our download folder, arranging it to the desktop. And don't forget to installing this in our keychain system while clicking on it. For make sure, you can go to your keychain and found the that certificate in your keychain folder. So I'm configuring, I'm double checking the details of these certificates in keychain with the system details. So you can check in the right corner, the Harinder Sharma as my name is also associated with my system and my certificate. So that confirms the certificate is created for that particular system. Now export this. So rearrange all certificates on your desktop so that you can find it easily while it's typed. Okay, so now this is the another thing that we are going to do. We are going to create a provisioning profile for our application. So basically we have multiple types of provisioning profile, but for now we are creating a development sorry ad hoc profile for the distribution of our applications. You can also create a app profile for the app store submission. So for now we are allocating our applications bundle identifier, which is going to associate with our provisioning certificate. See, yes, this one. So this one is my application bundle identifier. Just choose it and hit the button and select your uh, development certificate. So development certificate we have just created before the this provisioning profile. So for now just locate and select that. So this one we have created it, and now it's time to select destination devices. So only selected devices can run this application that is associated with the this current provisioning profile. So I have multiple devices registered on my certificate in my developer account. So I'm selected few one only, and put the name for your provisioning profile. So you can check your provisioning profile is created and downloaded to your download folders. Simply click on it for the installation. Okay, so now we are going to a devices section where we can register the devices. You can also check my registered devices here. And now I'm creating another device or registering a new device. Simply put the device name and UDID of that device. And you can also select the CSV file for the multiple entries. Just locate your CSV file, and this will put all devices in your developer account. So I have already registered my devices, and this is the keys. So if you need any key, you can register your key from here. You can choose the multiple key. You have varieties of keys here, so you can select any appropriate key from here, like sign in with the Apple. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.